Hello, hey, and welcome to another replace video about XRP. Yeah, one of the more exciting charts for the time being, I assume, due to the fact XRP has been conserving up without a doubt, virtually nicely. Okay, within the short term it's getting quite messy, but that's every day because we appear to be in a local pullback in a normal correction. So that is a correction in a correction, I imply. This is in reality quite uninteresting inside the very quick term. But I'm relating to it as exciting due to the fact we're getting into an area in which this triangle pattern that we've been running on the grounds that properly the 3rd of December, more than a month now, this triangle pattern will be near of completion and a bigger flow is due, okay? A bigger move is due. Why do I say that? Because each within the blue scenario, which allows for a drawback breakout, and in the yellow be counted, which shows an upside breakout. The bigger pass may want to start at any time, proper. What we've been watching for until now is pretty a great deal. This, to begin with, this triangle to fill in within the yellow state of affairs, well, that's came about, okay? It may want to, however, nevertheless, go a touch lower in the brief time period before this triangle is whole, and nicely within the yellow depend, that one, and in the blue rely. We were additionally watching for an AB shape, and then the affirmation that we're breaking down within the C wave now. The circulate down seems in the meantime greater, like a correction, no longer like a breakdown. So with correction, I mean a corrective pullback in an overall uptrend, ATT. Which, glaringly, my den, you already know, this triangle ought to just be consolidation in this universal uptrend and break out to the upside in the end to begin that 5th wave up. So it is normally pretty exciting inside the short time period, however. No longer a lot is occurring, so we nonetheless want a bit extra endurance, though. What I want to do in this video is just to focus on again the key breakout points, the important thing levels, pivots, assist, and what the microstructure is doing. So the yellow scenario is currently preferred, so I need to consciously defer to the consciousness best on that one. The blue, remember, I'm going to mention it, blue rely is simply taking into consideration a deeper pullback in case the yellow wave be counted, that's a wave 4 triangle, could be formally invalidated. And the invalidation will occur with the break below the 20th of December low, right here at $1.90. So it's the formal invalidation factor. But once more, invalidation would not mean we ought to revise the whole lot. It just approach that the manner for that we're tracking isn't always taking form as a triangle, however alternatively as a normal, regular ABC shape. And I've given it at the chart because it's a particularly in all likelihood state of affairs. Triangles are usually now not the most possibly eventualities. Please recognize that. That's very, very critical. So don't be amazed if it breaks down. However, I'm in reality tracking the triangle due to the fact I suggest you recognize it's miles, a complete pattern, and it can flip to the upside right here at any point. Looking at the microstructure, the idea is that manifestly, as I stated, 196 is the invalidation point. However, we've a help place to watch which need to offer some susceptible help. It's located among $2.09 and $2.23. Any spoil beneath $2.09 ought to result in a take a look at of the 196 stage that's the 20th of December, swing low. And the 20th of December swing low is the C wave of the triangle and therefore the invalidation factor. And it's also the preceding cut-up point from stop of November. And it's far the 2021 swing high, that $1.96 level. But yeah, before we get there I imply the rate has several Fibonacci stages to test. We could watch those. They are defined among $2.23 and $2.04, and I'm simply, sincerely watching for a reaction here. There is at the moment no sufficient reaction to truly verify a low in location, and a rec above the green line at $2.50 is required to actually confirm that an upside breakout is underway. That's the primary confirmation level. In triangles, there are 2 confirmation degrees. The first one is the destroy above the D wave excessive, in this example, and the following one is a smash above the B wave high. So just sincerely, a destroy above the D wave high would no longer always confirm absolutely a breakout. It's like a first indication, so we want a bit extra endurance. At the moment, at the nearby degree, it is just grinding sideways. I mean, there is no point seeking to set up here on any other micro, remember, or whatever. There's no point, okay? But on the micro degree, we seem to be transferring down right here in a corrective pullback. There's a lot overlapping there, and yeah, this can be my view, so long as we maintain above 196, yeah, that's my replace approximately XRP. Unfortunately, the chart does not offer any more readability in the meantime. So I desire you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, depart a remark, and subscribe. And in case you clearly preferred the content material, then please take a look at Out the Channel Club. Also ensure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for added content. Thanks loads for looking.